Answer the door. Somebody's
the
here.
doorbell?
Somebody's here.
Who's here? Okay, go ahead,
This one, Rylan. Over here.
Go answer the door.
Answer the door.
Who's here?
Tell him to come in.
Come in.
Go see who it is.
Open the other one. Shut up.
Who is it?
Santa Claus. Santa Claus is here? Oh, open it.
Come
in. Ready?
Oh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Hello.
Wow.
Oh, what's down the hallway? How are you? He's going the other way. He's afraid of Santa. Oh, hey, doggy. Hey, Lincoln, how are you?
Should we tell Santa to come inside?
How are you? I would love to come inside.
Hi, Santa.
How are you?
Good.
I remember you.
Yeah, I'm always a good girl.
I don't know. There's a few years. Festival. But...
Shady Santa.
Where is?
He's in the family room, Trace.
Hello. Have you been good?
Have you been a good boy, Riley?
Oh. You should sit with Santa on the couch.
Yeah.
You sit beside him.
Oh, this is good. Rylan, have you been good? That's good. I know you have been.
Lincoln. Oh, Lincoln.
I think Lincoln wants to eat my dear.
Sit.
Do you want a present?
Look at him smile. You want a present?
You want a present? Well.
Wow.
Let me see if I have anything in here for Rylan. Do you like dump trucks? Maybe? Let's see what I have in here. Oh!
Digger.
There you go. It's a digger. Look. And it's a remote control digger. That's for you. You can have it.
What do you say
There
to
you go.
Santa?
Oh, you're welcome. That was all you.
Charge the battery.
It sure does. I don't know if I packed a battery in here. Well, let's see what else is in here.
Look what
Do
Santa.
you think that Lincoln wants a present too?
He wants the doggy bone.
He wants a doggy bone. Well, I don't know if I got one in here.
We'll see what Santa.
A little.
Look what he got.
There's a truffle down there.
Yeah. Santa brought him a new dish.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. I thought I had something else.
Go
in
sit with
here.
him. See what he has.
What else is in there?
Did you know that I was over China? I had to come in here because I heard it was your bedtime. I had to fly all the way to Canada.
Go sit with him.
Oh, he's looking outside. You're looking for Rudolph. Do you bring
Oh,
Rudolph? Oh, don't.
He's up
Rudolph's
on the roof.
he's on the roof. You can't see
Don't
him.
worry, he's up there.
Go see Santa.
You should ask Santa.
Inside.
Ask Santa if Rudolph likes carrots.
He wants carrots right now.
He would love it.
Go see what Santa has.
Okay, go see what else.
I think that there's some more stuff in here for Rylan. And this has your name on it as well. It's a dump truck, and it's remote controlled as well. Here you go.
What do you say?
Oh, you're welcome.
Wow.
Oh,
What else?
I think that there's something else in here as well.
Wow, are you a lucky boy?
Are you gonna have a heart attack? Just go see Santa. Go get what he has.
Uh-oh. Looks like I'm gonna have to fix it just a second here.
Santa, have you been having a few pops?
I have not.
You will after this.
I can't drive a sleigh.
You were into the sake when you were over in Japan?
Here's a little trailer for your dump truck. I think that's pretty much it.
Just a second.
There's something else there. Looks like I forgot to pack
Santa,
batteries.
you sure must be busy tonight.
That's right. Like I said, I was in China.
What do you say to Santa?
Sounds like Santa came off the colony.
Thank you, Santa.
Look at what Santa has.
Oh my
I think his bag's full.
Okay.
Go help him open some.
We can open that one. You can open that one.
Oh, my batteries.
Is that for him? I go across there? Or no?
What is? Of course I know what that is.
The elves made that.
Wow. Look at
It's an army plane.
That's pretty cool.
I know.
I think that we have something for Grandma here.
Yeah.
Grandma gets a present. Santa has something for Grandma.
Do you want to deliver this to Grandma for me? Oh, thank you. What?
Grandma gets a present. Oh.
Can you give it to Grandma first before you open it? Maybe give it to Grandma.
Is it for Grandma?
Thank you, Santa.
Oh, you're welcome. It's no problem.
That's where the decal goes on. A decker for the...
A ducker?
There's nothing more for. I don't think there's anything in here for you. I think we have something else for you. It's the bottomless bag.
Claire.
I come through for Dot every year. It's so ugly.
Oh, more tools. This is supposed to be Bradley.
What do you say? What do you say to Santa?
Do you like
Oh, you're welcome. Well, I think that we got something else here.
Wow. He's a little overwhelmed. Oh, look at Santa has
We've
something
got
else.
another one.
Whoa.
Santa's hands have been soaking in palm olive. The rest of me, you'll have to forgive that.
Santa's on something special.
He's just so like, what is this? He's shaking.
What is that?
More light.
It's Conley.
So dark.
We don't have one.
What is this?
Oh, okay.
It's